If here, during the lesson, at your presence, we can't even reach a common prayer, we can't even find the words, one sentence, how, during the day, can we succeed to do something?
No, you need to prepare here the prayer for throughout the day, for the day that you're going to have here, now. When you leave here, you know what to do. But we talked about this. And my presence is only in order to push you towards thinking about it. But throughout the day, you're talking about things that are completely not associated with the prayer. You need just the prayer. Only the request. The request, the demand, but it needs to be aimed from within the 10 to the Creator. Israel, the light in the Creator. You're not executing it. From the 10, turn to Him. Other than that, we don't need anything else. Nothing. All the disturbances are only in that, and all the success is only in that. If you arrange those things together, we breach through. What a coca.
What does it mean during the lesson to arrange the prayer for the day?
How many times am I already saying it this way?
I heard that too, but practically, what does it mean?
I don't know, but what are you leaving the lesson with to those 20 hours of yours?
With many things.
That's wisdom. That's not important.
But this is what we have.
That's nothing. You need to go out with a demand for the Creator. That's it. With a demand for the Creator. Only that. Otherwise, the day has gone by.
What does it mean?
That you know what we, the 10, demand of the Creator today. That it's clear to us, between us, what we're doing. If you want, we will complete the lesson 15 minutes earlier, and you'll sit for those 15 minutes and summarize between you what you're going to go to that day with.
That happens anyway. What I don't understand is,
well,
how is today going to be different than yesterday?
In prayer,
besides that there's
and
pain.
Wonderful, excellent. Look what the Creator is doing to you. You should also be thankful for that, and also from that pain, turn to Him. You're entering into a discussion here with Him. This is from that pain that you have, so answer Him on that. What do you want?
But what does it mean to pray together?
Together?
Yeah, to pray together.
Together is that you understand that you are turning to one Creator, and even though each of you is from himself, but each of you is with the same request. You don't yet feel that you're connected. You will connect to the Creator to the extent, to that same request.